Did you know that in 2015 the largest LEGO MOC in the world was sold? It was created from over 200,000 pieces and depicted a city and scenes from the Star Wars movies. This model was sold for $35,000 at an auction. Hello everyone, this is LEGO Hunter, and today we'll be looking at the most massive LEGO MOCs. But before we start the video, I want to remind you that every commentator will be featured in a new video. Get ready, we are starting. The LEGO model of the Empire State Building is a replica of the real building and stands at a height of 55 centimeters. It includes many details and distinctive features of the building, such as the golden brown facade with numerous windows and antennas at the top. However, the LEGO model has several interesting features that are not found in the real building. For example, you can open small windows to see the interior, and on the top of the building, you can place a miniature plane to recreate the famous scene from the movie King Kong. Constructing the LEGO model of the Empire State Building not only allows you to enjoy the building process but also learn more about the famous building, its history, and architectural features. The LEGO model of the Volkswagen T1 camper van is a highly detailed replica of the classic Volkswagen T1 bus, which was released in the 1950s. This bus has become a legend and has gained many fans thanks to its unique design, versatility, and the spirit of freedom it embodied. The LEGO Volkswagen T1 camper van model is one of the most popular and reproducible LEGO models in the world. It consists of over 1,300 pieces and measures 30 centimeters in length, 14 centimeters in width, and 14 centimeters in height. Each detail of the LEGO Volkswagen T1 camper van model was carefully designed to accurately match the original bus. The model has many interesting features, such as folding chairs, a folding bed, and a kitchen stove. Furthermore, the LEGO Volkswagen T1 camper van model is not only a toy but also a popular collectible item. Many LEGO enthusiasts and collectors purchase this model to decorate their homes or offices and to reminisce about the good old days and the spirit of freedom it embodies. The LEGO Hogwarts Castle model is an accurate replica of the famous School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, encompassing over 6,000 pieces and measuring 58 centimeters in height, 69 centimeters in width, and 43 centimeters in depth. The model includes numerous details and features, such as multiple classrooms, towers, the Great Hall, bedrooms, the library, virtually all the iconic locations of the castle, as well as figures of all the main characters from the books and movies. Every aspect of the castle is meticulously designed to create a realistic and detailed representation of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The model includes many mechanical features, such as a reusable functional light fixture that can be hung in any room of the castle, as well as the ability to rotate the towers and move some of the castle's elements. Building the LEGO Hogwarts Castle model is an exciting adventure that not only provides the satisfaction of building, but also offers a new perspective on the beloved world of Harry Potter. The model can be used for play, room decoration, or added to a collection, and makes a great gift for all fans of the Harry Potter books and movies. The modular hotel is a LEGO model that consists of a set of modules that can be combined and rearranged into various configurations to create unique and original buildings. Each module represents an individual hotel room, which can be connected to other modules as desired. The modules can be placed on different floors, creating numerous possible design options. In addition, the modular hotel includes a multitude of details that can be reconfigured and adapted to create various hotel room interiors. This includes furniture, lighting, decorative elements, and much more. The modular hotel model also includes a plethora of minifigures that can be used to create unique stories and scenarios. Each minifigure has its own unique appearance and can be customized to match different themes and styles. What is your favorite LEGO MOC? Write in the comments, but of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new interesting videos about LEGO. Don't be bored. See you soon.